Infuse your home with warmth and fragrance. Crock Pot Potpourri, the secret to instant coziness. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need some cinnamon sticks, 1 orange sliced, 3 sprigs of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 1 tablespoon of whole allspice, and 1 cup of fresh cranberries. Now let's put 4 cups of water into our crock pot and add in all of your ingredients. I just love how beautiful this is. Now just set it to low, put it on the counter, and let it do its thing. Just keep an eye on the water level. You may need to add some more depending how long you have it going, and your house is going to smell beautiful. I hope you love it.